Hi friends, we are in the
Rainforest.
rainforest, Soudic rainforest. Yeah, it's been a great journey so far. Yeah, the rainforest looks very stagnant, I must say. The trees are tall and very rustic. It's rainbow, guys. It's rainbow. This is Soudic Fall. Hi friends, so I just got back to the hotel after eating dinner. It's been a very exhausting day. I'm very tired now after driving like in total like 3.5 hours round trip. Well, that's a wrap guys for day 2. Tomorrow we will probably leave early at noon. In the morning we'll have breakfast in the hotel and we'll go to the waterfront park for the sightseeing. And yeah, and that's a wrap, and we will like drive all the way to the ferry to go back to Seattle. And that will be it. See ya.